The Fun They Had. The Fun They Had is a science fiction short story by Isaac Asimov. In this story, the writer describes the present school and the future. Margie was an 11-year-old girl. One day, she wrote about an old book which her brother Tommy found in his attic. Margie's grandfather said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Hardword and its meaning. Attic, a space just below the roof, used as a storeroom. They were surprised to know that the words in the book stood still instead of moving. The pages in the old book were yellow and crinkly. There was a real man as a teacher. The children went to a place called school to study. Hardword and its meaning. Crinkly, with many folds or lines. Margie's school was in her home, next to her bedroom. She didn't have any classmates. They had mechanical teachers with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. It had a slot where they had to put homework and test papers. They had to write them out in a punch code. Margie hated her school because the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. The mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Her mother worried and sent for the country inspector. Hardword and its meaning. Mechanical, connected with machines operated by power. He said that the geography sector was too fast. He said that the progress of the girl was quite satisfactory and he had reset it to the level of the girl. Margie was disappointed because she hoped that they would take away the mechanical teacher just like the Tommy's history teacher. Hardword and its meaning. Disappointed, upset. Margie thought that the old schools must have been fun since all the kids from the whole neighborhood would come to school together. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom. They went home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things by helping one another in doing homework and talking about it. There, people were working as teachers. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now, let us see some more hard words and learn their meanings. Awful, very bad, unpleasant. Million, 10 lakhs. Telebooks, books seen or read on a television or computer screen. Scornful, contemptuous, think something in worthless. Slot, a given space, time or position. Geared, adjust to particular standard or level. Loftily, in a superior way. Regular teacher, here it refers to a mechanical teacher. Betcha, I am sure. Dispute, disagree with. Screamed, give a loud cry. Nonchalantly, not showing much interest. Beneath, below. Patted, repeated hitting. Probably, is likely to happen. Grammar. Now, let us fill in the blanks with the words from the given box. Slots, loftily, dispute, screamed, scornful. We look scornful when we show something useless. Your workbook does not have slots for writing. Why do you always dispute your younger brother's statements? The commander ordered lofty to the soldiers, open fire. All the boys screamed when they saw a snake in their classroom. Let us pick out the opposites for the following words. Serious, funny. Scare, plenty. Idle, busy. Agree, dispute. Create, mechanical. Knowingly, unwilling or inadvertently or unknowingly. A relative clause gives extra information about or identifies a person, place, time or thing. It normally begins with a relative pronoun such as who, where, when, what or that. Combine the sentences using where, who, which and that. Now, let us try to combine the sentences using where, who, which and that. Mahi always tells funny stories. We all like them. Mahi always tells funny stories which we all like. Dolly ate all the biscuits. I brought them for Chandu. Dolly ate all the biscuits that I bought them for Chandu. An old man visited us last night. He was my grandfather. The old man who visited us last night was my grandfather. We should remember the place. We used to meet often. We should remember the place where we often used to meet. Divija gave me a camera. It was not working. The camera which Divija gave me was not working.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.